how to share CapCut project in mobile. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can share the CapCut project in mobile. Open the CapCut app and select the project that you want to share. Click on the export button and choose the desired resolution frame and the bitrate. So you will have to tap right here on export and you will see the export option. And from there you will have to tap right here on the share button. You can share directly to your TikTok, or you can see that these are the options, and you will have to tap right here on others to see more features. And you can see that this is how you can easily share your CapCut project to anyone. From there you can send to the WhatsApp, TikTok, Snapchat, or the Instagram reels, or you can also send it to your YouTube channel. So this is how you can easily share your CapCut project to anyone and to the any of the applications. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.